Good evening, Garden City. I'd like to call to order regular scheduled City Council meeting for Monday, September 11th, 2023. Item 6, patrol vehicle purchase, Lieutenant Arnowski.
Good evening, Mayor, Council. Before I start, I want to thank the City Manager for letting me get this on the agenda tonight. It was a little last minute, so I appreciate that. Thank you. As Council is aware, the primary concern of a police agency is the ability to quickly deliver police officers to your door in the event of an emergency or crime in progress. What's the essential tool that we use to get there? A police vehicle. And as we know, Council has made an investment in making sure that we have these vehicles with the police vehicle fund that you guys created, I believe it was last year. So as contained in the 2023-2024 capital improvement budget, City Council has already budgeted for the purchase of these police vehicles. Due to the damage of several police vehicles during police operations, an aging fleet, delays in parts availability, and limited new vehicle supply, I'm requesting to purchase two 2023 black Dodge Charger V6 police vehicles and two 2023 black Dodge Durango SUVs. This supports the theme that we've had for the last 6 years where we've alternated between sedans and SUVs because we have some officers like SUVs, some officers like sedans. This keeps everybody happy. So we're trying to keep that going as long as we can. In April of this year, the Police Department placed a request with the Fontaine Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram for two 2023 black Dodge Durango police vehicles. Last week, we were notified that the Durangos were built, but if they didn't get on a truck by September 15th, we wouldn't see them until after a potential strike occurs. While we were talking to them about this, they mentioned that they happen to have some 2023 black Dodge Chargers on their lot that weren't spoken for that were available if we wanted them. At the time, we didn't know when we originally ordered the Durangos that Chargers were even being built because we thought that they were done, and the fact that Garden City blue paint is no longer offered either, we didn't pursue that avenue. Discovering that there are still Chargers available is a welcome opportunity to benefit from one last Charger purchase. This is an opportunity because Chargers are ready, and they will share most, if not all, the equipment that we currently have in our current Chargers, which will expedite getting them outfitted and eliminate the need to wait around for new parts to show up. Taking advantage of this will also assist us in outfitting our new school resource officer with a vehicle. As we put the school resource in the middle school this year for the first time, we had planned on just utilizing available vehicles that we had in our lot for him to get to school and other school events. However, as I mentioned earlier, due to some damage to our police vehicles during police operations and long delays in acquiring and outfitting police vehicles due to labor and equipment issues, we're a little short. What also makes this purchase appealing is that we look at still lingering production and equipment issues from when COVID struck, now adding in the possibility of an upcoming automotive strike, we can secure an operational fleet to make it through these times right now. This opportunity to purchase the Chargers along with the Durango should move us to the positive side with vehicles. These two Chargers and two Durangos could go into service quickly, and when we catch up on vehicles, they could replace some that are becoming past their service life. So having said that, I would ask that Council approve the purchase, allowing the Police Department to maintain an operational fleet as we look at possible shutdowns and closures. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Motion is in order.
Mayor?
Councilmember Earl.
Yeah, I move to authorize the Chief of Police or his representative to execute necessary agreements to purchase two 2023 Dodge Charger Pursuit all-wheel drive V6 for the state bid cost of $35,567 each, and two Dodge Durango vehicles at the state bid cost of $42,735 each from La Fontaine CDJR of Lansing.
Support.
Councilmember Karafotis. Okay, further comment from the table? From the public?
I have a question. Just
Mayor
a quick question. The vehicles that were damaged, are they repairable?
They are.
So we are looking at some point getting them repaired and brought back into service?
Yep, one is
Okay.
already at the repair shop, another one is waiting for some parts, and the third one is just waiting to go.
Okay, thanks.
Well, I didn't think the one was repairable, but, okay, good. Any further comments from the public? All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion passes 7-0.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chief. Other business? We have none. Public.